Growing mint in your garden can be a great way to spice up your dishes and add a fresh scent to the air. In this video, we will share some basic tips and guidelines to help you grow mint successfully. The first step in growing mint is deciding on the right time to plant it. The best time to plant mint is in the early spring when the soil temperature has reached around 15 degrees Celsius. Mint prefers to be grown in a moist, well-drained soil, and in a sunny to partial shade location. When it comes to watering mint, it's important to keep the soil consistently moist. Depending on the weather conditions, mint should be watered every 2 to 3 days. If the weather is particularly hot or dry, you may need to increase the frequency of watering. Mint is a great herb to grow in small plots, as it does not require a large amount of space. To plant mint, make sure to prepare the soil properly and loosen it up to a depth of about 15 to 20 centimeters. The recommended spacing for planting mint is 15 to 20 centimeters apart. Mint can be harvested once the plant reaches around 10 to 15 centimeters in height. It's important not to harvest more than 50% of the plant at once, as this can damage it and affect its growth. The most common problem with growing mint is weed competition, which can reduce the yield and quality of your crop. Make sure to keep the plot clean by removing weeds and dead leaves regularly. Mint can grow in different climates, as long as it is given the right growing conditions. Most species of mint prefer a cool and humid climate, but it can also tolerate hotter and drier conditions. As long as the soil is kept moist, mint can grow in almost any climate. Mint has numerous uses, both culinary and medicinal. It is most commonly used as a flavoring agent in dishes such as salads, teas, and cocktails. It is also used in traditional medicine for its digestive and respiratory benefits. Mint has a refreshing and slightly sweet taste and can be eaten both fresh or dried. In summary, growing mint in your garden is easy as long as you follow a few basic guidelines. Plant your mint in early spring, water it regularly, and harvest it when it reaches 10 to 15 centimeters in height. Keep the plot clean and weed-free, and enjoy its refreshing taste in various dishes and teas.